Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. And to get started, you'll want to pull down your toggles from the right side and look for the toggle for the hotspot. I can't really locate it, so I assume it's turned off. So you want to tap on this square with a pen, and we should have it somewhere in here. Do not disturb mode. Oh wait, those are the ones that are actually enabled. Oh, I know why I can't locate it. It's right over here. But as you can see, it has no icon because I have airplane mode on. So I'm going to turn that off. And there we go. Now it's here. So once you find your hotspot toggle, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings. So from here, you want to select the setup portable hotspot. And you want to start off by just changing the password. As you can see, it's some randomly generated garbage. So it's much easier just to remove it and set your own password. It needs to have 8 characters in length. Now letters and numbers doesn't really matter, at which point you will be able to save it. And you can go through the settings and customize them to your liking, going through the rest of the things that are here. At the end of the day, once you went through all of those and customized them, I can select right here to save it. And now all you need to do is tap on the toggle right over here, portable hotspot, to turn it on. Or obviously you can turn it on from here, and also turning it off from here as well. Now, when it comes down to turning it on and off, once you actually enable it, I do urge you to try to remember about turning it off. It does consume more battery, and if you're not using it, there is really no purpose for it to be running in the background. And all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle once again, and it turns off. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.